Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Rave. First of all, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps and you will enter here. Then in this page, you will search about the application of Rave and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go first to notifications. You will click here to turn on or to allow notifications of this application. Then you will return or you will go back to permissions. You will click on permissions as you see. You will allow other permissions like camera here. Then you can also allow the permission of microphone, the permission of photos and videos as you see, and you will allow all these permissions as you see here. After that, you will go to force stop. You will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click on clear cache. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Rave. And if you find updates, you will click here to update your app on this blue sign. After that, you will return or you will go back to this application of Rave itself like this. And here you will wait a moment until the first page appear to you like this, and in that way you can know how to fix the problem of not working on the application of Rave. So the application are working now, you can use it as you want. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.